Welcome to FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for Windy City. Today we're going to talk about a topic, power of persuasion. I'm going to tell you a little story. Persuasion is you work at something, you have an idea, you have something you think will work or something you're very proud of, and you're trying to get someone else to buy in. And you do everything you possibly can to try to get that person to take that step and persuade them that what you're doing is right or what you want to do is a good idea or anything like that. So I want to share this in the form of a story. Josh Zollin, our CEO, had worked with his father, Joel Zollin, who's the owner of our company, for years trying to get him to come to a convention, a show, something like that. And Joel just didn't believe it had benefit. It's either the marketing dollars that you spend or the time away from the office, whatever those reasons were. Just it wasn't worth his time or anything like that to go do it. So recently, in the time that I worked for Windy City, my son was going to be coming to the RIFMA event, which was in Nashville, along with my wife. My son's name's Adam. Adam had never met Joel. And so Adam suggested to Joel one time, when Joel said it would be great to meet you, Adam said, well, I'm going to be in Nashville. Why don't you come to RIFMA? And Joel said, okay, I'll come to RIFMA. Now, the whole reason he's coming to RIFMA, literally, is not for the conference, is not for the experience, it's none of that. He's coming to visit my son and meet him, along with my wife. How great a story is that? But here's the best part. Not only did he come to RIFMA and meet and spend time as our management team spent time with my wife and my son and a couple of other very close friends for dinner one night, but Joel actually enjoyed the show. He's an owner. He's in the booth. Being an owner of a company and being in a booth shows, holy cow, everybody from the top down is engaged in the process. He had the opportunity to speak to some of our customers who are very pleased with what we do at Windy City, and to be able to hear that, what a great deal that was. He saw the marketing value that Josh had been trying to explain to him for forever, and sometimes you just got to be there to see it and understand it. He loved the opportunity. He's a great talker and communicator with people, and to get to do that was a ton of fun. And he met a whole lot of people. As many of you know, I'm a lifetime RIFMA person. So the ability to have the person who owns your company be there and see what you're doing and the people that you're meeting with and how you're trying to grow the business and build it, all that was wonderful. So Josh had been pushing really hard for years to get his dad to come. And what it ended up taking was an invitation from my son just to meet, and then he realized all the things that were there. So my story today really is twofold. One is the power of persuasion. Keep pushing. If you have an idea, you have a thought, you have something you think is a good idea, keep pushing. You never know what one little thing is going to do to get acceptance or get somebody to stop and take the time to listen or buy in or whatever that may be. I believe Joel will be at all our conferences for RIFMA moving forward. That's a great thing, to have the owner of our company there along with the other members of the management team to meet people and talk to people about our company. That's a great thing. But the other important thing is, for me as an employee, the owner and the upper management of my company made a trip to a convention like RIFMA, literally with the whole idea of just to meet members of my family, specifically my son. How good is that? I'm working for the right people, and I'm working for the right company because they value people along with the job that you do as well. And that matters. So today, it's power of persuasion. Whatever you need to do, keep pushing, keep working at it, and sooner or later, you're going to find a way, maybe, as in this case, a way that you never thought would happen, but you're finding a way to get your message across or get it, whatever it is that you need, accepted or at least looked at, evaluated, however you want to put it. That's my story for today. I thank you for listening. Remember, advice is always free at FM Corner. Look forward to talking to you the next time.